Well, hello, it's Casey Tyler. I want to show you real quick how to save your live videos and reuse them. So here you see my Facebook page. I was in my VIP group and I went live. So I'm going to click on the little post here.
I want to show
till it
you
pops
this quick
up.
trick.
Okay, hang on, I gotta mute it. All right, there you go. And now I'm gonna click download video here. And it's downloaded. See, it's in my MP4. Now check this out. I'm going to go home and I'm going to post it to my main Facebook page like this. That was funny. I think you can just drag it and drop it in there. And I'm going to post it to my main Facebook page. It's also in my downloads on my computer here. There. So I can post that anywhere I want. How to put your strips back into the sleeve. So some of the places I'm going to post it are on my main page on my Facebook, my Instagram videos, I think it's Instagram TV, and YouTube. Okay? So I encourage you to do the same with every one of your live videos. Don't worry about branding. Don't worry about perfection. Get your face out there. When you figure out all those other things, you master it, you teach me how to do it. Anyway, I hope this blesses you. Thanks for watching.